to follow the norms as enunciated by the health department and by other agencies who are ensuring that this COVID disease doesn't spread to much areas. From Election Commission of India guidelines, we are ensuring that each and every district has specific meeting places where large number of people can participate by following the COVID norms of 6 feet distance and using the mask so that others are not affected. So I request once again that let us all take this responsibility to ensure that the disease doesn't spread more, because with the election coming and more people participating in this democratic tradition, definitely we need to be careful. Similarly, the political parties, they have been also issued certain kind of guidelines what they need to follow for their meetings and other things, and for coming for nomination, all these things have been also informed to them. And as far as the polling day is concerned, we are ensuring that everybody will be getting one gloves for their hand so that for pressing the ballot button, as well as for a COVID affected patient who has not given his or her postal ballot up to the 5th day of the start of date of notification, they can come to the polling booth and put their vote also, and specific arrangements are being made. The health department is also following it up, and from Election Commission of India, we are keeping the PPE kits ready in our centers in case some COVID patients also come. Apart from that, for the people with disability, we are having special efforts to ensure that each and every polling station we provide at least a wheelchair for them, and also for the people who are disabled by vision, for them also several things related to their knowing from the EPIC card to certain other things which they would like to know when they come to a polling station. Braille printing has also been organized for them. We are ensuring that assured minimum facility like water, toilet, electricity, all these things are provided in each and every booth without fail. This year we have the additional responsibility of having almost 34% of more number of polling stations. To that extent, we are making our officials ready to rise up to the occasion. The trainings are undergoing at various parts of the state, and we are very vigilant that that any kind of incentive or inducement for voting doesn't take place. Several observers have been deployed by the Election Commission. 2 special expenditure observers have been also deployed. And we have this C-Vigil app, which is launched by the Election Commission of India, where each and every citizen can be an observer, because the moment we take some picture or video of particular kind of incident which is violative of the Model Code of Conduct, immediately the authorities of the Election Commission of India are mandated to attend to that complaint, and we are ensuring that those complaints are attended then and there. Also, we have the number 1950. From each and every district, a person can make a phone call by putting the particular STD code. ஒவ்வொரு மாவட்டத்திலே இந்த ஃபெசிலிட்டி நமக்கு இருக்கிறது. 1950க்கு முன்னே நம்ம STD கோட் போட்டு ஃபோன் பண்ணால் கண்டிப்பாக அந்த ஃபோன் நாங்கள் அட்டென்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம். நம்ம இங்கே சிஇஓ ஆஃபீஸில் கூட ஒரு நம்பர் நம்ம அதை வச்சுருக்கிறோம். that also அதுவும் நம்ம
தேர்தலை பாதுகாப்பாக நடத்தி முடிக்க அனைத்து நடவடிக்கைகளும் எடுக்கப்பட்டிருப்பதாக தலைமை தேர்தல் அதிகாரி சத்யபிரதா சாஹூ தெரிவித்திருக்கிறார்.
உடனுக்குடன் செய்திகளை தெரிந்து கொள்ள சன் நியூஸ் பெல் ஐகானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க.